Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mitsubishi Lancer full guide. Start by sketching the basic side profile with a smooth roofline, wheel arches, and hood proportions. Use light strokes to block in the cabin, windshield, and trunk, keeping perspective subtle. Place 2 circles for wheels and refine the arches. Check alignment from front to rear and adjust proportions before committing to darker lines. Now refine the front end by outlining the bumper, grille, and headlight cavities with clearer lines. Focus on headlight angles and the signature grille shape to capture the model's character. Add subtle vents and bumper contours, keeping strokes confident but deliberate. Erase overlapping guide marks and smooth transitions between panels. Step back occasionally to ensure headlights and grille sit symmetrically and align with the bonnet. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more drawing content. Quick recommendation: I spotted a book that can change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it made me smile while sketching cars. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab it if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, concentrate on wheels, doors, and finer elements that give the drawing personality and realism. Define wheel rims with a few spokes and add center caps, then refine tire shapes and treads minimally. Draw door lines, side mirrors, and trim, keeping panel gaps consistent. Introduce soft shading under the car and along lower panels to suggest depth. Clean up remaining guides and bold key outlines to finish the sketch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.